Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As the title explains, I'll be doing my February PR package unboxing. So I got quite a few new items here. Let me drag this out of the frame because my invoice is in here. Y'all might try to pop up. No, but for real. I got some really good goodies. So let's go ahead and go through these babies. Now these here, these first, I think, how many did I buy of these? 1, 2, 3, 4. I ordered 4 of the binder sheets, which this is something kind of new, which I feel like Dominique is hinting at something. Let me just look at my invoice. All right, so I can read off what I got off on the side. Okay, so the binder sheets, these are in the rainbow bright color scheme, and I got the work boxes. So these are really for when I go work at my brother's store. So there are those, and obviously I got premium matte vinyl. You guys know that's my favorite. And then I got some basic today headers. These are also in the rainbow bright color scheme. I think I got them all in the, I got them all in the rainbow bright color scheme. They have to match. And you also have the option to get these binder sheets punched or unpunched, I believe. Right? I think. Don't quote me. Or you can punch them yourself, but I'm pretty sure she had the option to do either or. And then finally, or not finally, these are my appointment labels, which I thought were so cute. These smell so good. And then finally, the scallop boxes. These are some of my favorite little label type stickers out. I love this shape, and I love that they kind of just fit into any spread. So let's take a look at those again. Very cute, very bright. I love those. And then, let's see, I got a kit and I got some goodies. So which one should I go through? Let's go through the kit first, and then I'll go through the goodies. Look at that cute little bow washi on the back. And this is called the Coffee Addict Kit. I am a coffee addict, so let's pop this open. And obviously this week, guys, sorry, there's not going to be a plan with me. This PR package unboxing is going to take place of a plan with me for this week. I should be up and running next week. Let's go ahead and go through this beautiful kit. I love the girls in here. So we have deco on the front, some icons, appointment labels, heart checklist, an extra full box, and a weekly box. That deco is so cute. It says coffee and then has the mugs hanging. And then, ooh, this is a different format for her full boxes. So we have Caffeine Queen. Then we have 2 girls here. Oh, I really love the colors of this kit. The brown with the teal and the pink. And I'm not even a pink girl, but I like this subtle hints of it. That is very cute. I might have to use this right away. I have the ombre heart checklist with my stitched appointment labels at the bottom. And then we have our headers and our half boxes. I love those glitter half boxes. Some of my favorite things in her kits. Then we have the little glitter strips or glitter headers, if you will. Our littles, our asterisks. And then this beautiful striped glitter washi, another habit or weekly box, and date covers. So very cute. So there is Coffee Addict. And this is for EC. You could get one for Happy Planner too if you wanted. So I got that for the Erin Condren. And then let's go through our other little sticker pack of goodies. I'm not going to remember everything, like all the names. But for the most part, I think that she's going to have the names on here for us. And this is a freebie. Let's get that freebie out. Look at that freebie. It's cute. So it's a little magic paper. What is that? Little magic Prince girl. That some of the girls in Golden Plans are from. And then we have a Golden Plan new releases sticker, which this is bomb. So if you're in the Facebook group, you can actually use this on certain days because she does have a calendar up. All right, so now let's go through the rest of our items. Let's go through the easy stuff. So here are the trash cans. I thought these were cute. These little trash cans, just a fun and a more decorative way to alert me to clean my fridge out and get that trash out. And we have these frappuccinos. So cute. I just had a frap the other day. It looks like a green tea frap, mocha, caramel, vanilla bean, strawberry cream, and that unicorn frap probably. And then this, what are these girls called? Oh, this is just the curly hair little magic paper prince girl. I thought she was so cute. Just her curls. My hair looks like this. Just darker with her little glasses. It's like a mix between a Snapchat filter and then a naturally curly girl. So there's that. And then this is Coco. I actually got Coco because her complexion and just her features remind me of my sister. So Coco is really, really cute. And as you guys can see what Coco says, sometimes you just be like that. And then I got the Valentine's Day sampler. So this is a nice, cute little sampler, which I knew, I didn't necessarily have like a Valentine's Day spread that this would match with, because you guys saw that I used the Red Light Special kit, but I thought this would be cute for my anniversary that's coming up in March. So I'm probably going to use this in my Louis spread to kind of mark our little time for our first year anniversary. Very, very cute items. And then finally, I got some die cuts, and this is Tiffany. Now let's take Tiffany out. Tiffany kind of reminded me of myself, except the heels. I don't do heels. I'm tall. I'm 5'9", so heels make me feel very awkward. But to each their own. So there is Tiffany. And I love her hair. Look, she got a little baby hair showing and everything, but her outfit's just very simplistic. She has a cute little bag on the side, and that's kind of my style. Let's go ahead and show you guys all my goodies. I got a nice variety of stuff. I usually kind of stay away from like things like this, but I really, really like those, especially because summer, I'm just aching for summer. So I thought it would be kind of cute to get those. So I'm just trying to put all this stuff out so you guys can see. I hope that you guys liked this little PR package. I'm very, very happy. You rock, Dominique. Everything is so beautiful as always. So I hope that you guys enjoy this. Sorry I was a little late on this video, obviously. And again, no plan with me this week. I will be up and running hopefully next week, okay? So go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye, everyone.